Welcome to this brief tutorial where you will discover how to move saved searches in custom folders to the general MyFolder on Classic EBSCO user interfaces. Why move your saved searches? Saved searches in custom folders on the Classic EBSCO user interfaces will not be migrated. Saved searches in the general MyFolder will be migrated. Moving your saved searches from custom folders to the general MyFolder will ensure your saved searches are synced in the dashboard on the new EBSCO user interfaces when the synchronization happens in January. Let's take a look at the process. This video will discuss how you can move your saved searches from a custom folder to the My folder in the Classic EBSCOhost user interface. What you'll need to do first is sign in to your existing folder. Navigate to your folder, and on the left-hand side, you'll see that there are two sections. There is My Folder and there are custom folders. Please note that custom folders will not be migrated across to the new user interface. What will be migrated across, however, are your saved searches from the My folder. What you can do if you have some saved searches in your custom folders, you can navigate to your custom folder, locate your saved search, click into your saved searches, check the box beside your search, then select Move to, then select My Folder. That has moved my saved search from my custom folder into the My Folder section. Items in the saved searches in My folder will be synced across to the new user interface in January. If you have a lot of searches, or if you have a lot of searches in a specific folder, you may like to edit your saved search to include the name of your folder. For example, I have artificial intelligence here. This might be part of a larger set of searches saved to a custom folder. In this case, I'll click into Edit Saved Search, and in the name of the search or alert, I'll type in the name of my custom folder. Then click Save and Continue. You'll see that for my saved search for artificial intelligence, it also mentions the AI folder. Whilst I'm here, I want to also talk about another step that you can take to ensure that your content from the Classic MyEBSCO folder is available when your library migrates. Click into your Edit Saved Search. In this example, you'll notice that I have what we call a combined search. I have my top query here, which is a combination of these additional queries. When our saved searches are migrated across to the new user interface in January, only the top query will be moved. If you still require access to your full search strategy, we do recommend reviewing your folders and your saved searches. And from this page, you can either copy and paste into a Word document, or you could screenshot your queries. That will ensure you'll be able to see the combinations that make up your top query. Navigating back to folder, I just want to recap on this process. In January, items that have been saved in the saved searches in My folder will be migrated to the new user interface. Items in the custom folders will not be migrated. However, in April, there will be an option on the new user interface for you to download the content of your custom folders into CSV. Once you have that CSV download, you are then able to replicate your folder structure on the new user interface using projects. Thank you for watching this tutorial.